Hello and welcome to the GDS Lab 2024 tutorial, this time on 3.2 Datastore, 3.2.2, how to rerun an identical test. So, in this scenario, you would have already had loaded in a test, you've already completed a test, and you want to rerun the same test. So, first of all, when you saved it the first time, you would have saved a specific file. Now, this time I'm going to pretend it is car1. All you have to do is press on run again, and I will locate car1 like it is here, and do save. And what will happen is that you'll end up replacing it. So it's your choice. If you want to replace the data, you can replace it, or you can create a new file name here. So for here, I'm going to just do another one. Do save. And then what will happen is it will keep the same parameters as the one before, and then you can fill it all in the way you want to go. And then once you get to the test setup, all you need to do is make sure you have the correct tests that you want. For example, we have 4 different logging tests here. And then all you have to do is go ahead and press start test. So that is how to rerun an identical test.